Hello friends, I have so much to tell you, but before we're gonna start, let me show you those gorgeous, amazing mirror effect paints. We have used them a couple weeks ago and you loved it so much, me too, and I couldn't wait to use them once more. Absolutely amazing style of paints. There isn't anything recently that made such an impact on my art, on my visions, and they are just phenomenal. Wait till you see this project till the end because the process is quite interesting. The way as my brain was actually operating, how I was planning about this project, how I was going and changing my mind during the process, it's quite interesting and very inspirational for me as well when I look at it right now while editing this video. I started with making circles and I used Pilot pen. All the links, everything is in the description box below, so please check it out, and also don't forget to use coupon code for 10% off for the mirror effect paints if you wish to see them. As you can tell, I am using, weirdly enough, greens and browns, and only afterwards my hand was sort of going towards blues and the project changed completely. But I really believe that the underlayer, the fact that I actually started with those kinds of shades, it made the final project absolutely spectacular. I love praising myself. I love loving my projects. I love talking positive about them. I love talking positive about my all works. But sometimes I talk even more than I should, or I truly mean more, because it is so different. And with this project, honestly, like, look, it's like a mud. It's not looking great. And I was like coming and doing, and I was persistent. I didn't stop. I was like, no, just keep on going. And I was looking for the perfect project, for the perfect color combo, for the perfect feel for those bubbles. I wanted some kind of a galaxy effect, but honestly I didn't know what I was doing. And then voila, the dark blue, this beautiful shade of color. This one is KURETAKE actually. Everything again, all the paints I have used for this project are in the description box. I detailed have all the details about them, so please check it out. But look at it, it changed completely. It was this missing puzzle when I was like making the project, and I think the underlayer of that brownie kind of dirty color, this greenery brownie, everything just works beautifully. And this project gave me this thinking that, you know what, just because something starts this way doesn't mean it has to finish the same way. No, you can evolve, you can change your mind, or you can just look for stuff, experiment, and just be brave in your movement, the way you paint, the way you mix the colors. I really love this project, and the final piece, when I was tilting the card and the colors, the shine and everything. And then, as you can tell, I have too much of going on outside the bubbles. I couldn't kind of clean it, and then I thought, why would I clean it? Let's just use this opportunity to actually embrace it and add it even more, because this is when you experiment, this is when you think outside of the box and do things differently, and you just embrace what's happening and enjoy it and make it your own. And I love that about watercolors. This watercolor journey, it's phenomenal. I am doing painting on this channel, and nearly all of the channels about painting. Only at the beginning I started with paper crafting. Quickly after I moved to watercolors, well, no, I moved to acrylics, and then watercolors. It's something that stayed with me. And I just have to say this, the last year on this channel, it's such a phenomenal journey of finding out what I love the most, what works best and great and all. And I just love it so much. And today actually we have hit over, well, we had 40,000, but it's over right now, 40,000 people subscribing to this channel. Beautiful friends, beautiful community of amazing people that wish to learn how to paint, how to be creative, how to inspire each other, how to get inspiration from those videos. I'm so proud that in less than a year I have gathered so many of you here that are coming regularly to watch my videos. I'm so proud to inspire you, to bring you fresh ideas, to surprise you with things, and me too. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here. I couldn't be more happier. You are making my 2023 just amazing. thank you for being here. I really hope you will try some of those paintings that I published in the last year. This bubble one, it's one of my favorite, most definitely one of my favorite in the holiday season. This kind of silver color, as you can tell, look at it, it's different. There are two different silvers from the pack, from that mirror series. Phenomenal. It's like this, it's a mirror, but it's like this I can't even describe. It's like a liquid liquid sort of metal thing, and it has chunks of elements in it. Like, I'm in love. If I can be in love with something, that's definitely it. So 10% off, be sure to use it. Check the link for those handmade watercolors and enjoy it. Make some gorgeous art with it. Thank you so much, my gorgeous friends, for being here as always, for just supporting me in this place, because this is what I love doing, and having you here, it's just the best gift for me. Let me show you those mirror series once more. Absolutely amazing. There's free shipping as well available, so check them out. Gorgeous. Have a beautiful holiday season, and check out for more videos soon. I love you loads. I miss you tons every time I have to finish. I miss you already. I love you. Till the next time, happy painting. I'll chat to you soon. Bye. Bye bye.